Okay, so got some roots right there. Pushing it a little more. See the root intrusion. Aside from that, there's no other issues with this sewer. These are EPL Solutions chains. These are very, very well made sewer chains. That works well with my Milwaukee 2000 RPM. I set it on the highest setting. It works very well. So we're just going to, you can see it takes up pretty much the whole pipe there. I pull back. See, it takes up all of that. All right, I had to put a little water in the pipe. I couldn't see anything because the stupid camera had stuff on it. I don't know why, but that really irritates me. I'm in the middle of trying to see something. Okay, now so we got this all hooked up. I'm in position. The root intrusion was about 50 feet, so my camera's at 45. So hang on just a sec. Okay, so can't see anything on here, but we're right on the clog. That got a lot of it. All right, I'm gonna keep doing this and I'll show you the finished result. I mean, that took out a lot right there. All right, you can see the roots on the chain right there. I mean, it cleans the pipe from top to bottom. It's just really amazing. I'm not gonna say the brand, but I bought a brand of these and they were really crappy, really cheaply made. This has a quick disconnect. I mean, the hose or sheathing, whatever you want to call it, is just made better. It's just, these are very high quality chains, and it's not quite a 3/8 cable. It's a little bit bigger, so you have plenty of, you can push it really far. I mean, I used them earlier, and I pushed it 60, 65 feet, no issues. And it's just very quick and efficient, you know? So, but that, I'm done, and I've been here 20 minutes. Nah, 30 minutes. But you get the picture. EPL Solutions, really, I'm telling you, man, these are the chains that you want. So you can adjust these. This is a 4-inch carbide tip, and you can adjust this up or down. I have it at, the way you measure is you measure from the center of this to the bottom of the chain, and then times it by 2. So that's about, actually it was at 4. I can't do this with here. Let's see. It's a little bigger than 4-inch, but really a great tool, man, for clearing out roots mainly. But they make a holder, but it was like 600 bucks. I was like, no need for that. I'll just use a tire, lighter too. Okay, so we're out of here now.